Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here, looking to give you an update going into next week here. So, looking at the daily chart here, folks, you can see this is the daily on the NASDAQ. Pre-market here on Friday, what I was mentioning was momentum to the downside, flat top here, momentum to the downside. That's my preference for the day. Now, we are ranging, right? We've been in a range overall in the NASDAQ for quite a while here, but as far as the formation of with the momentum there, my bias was initially to that downside. Then we came in, you look at the volume profile here. So this is a 930 candle. Again, very, very bearish formation. I don't trade the first 10 minutes anyway, but we ended up heading lower, pulled back, held here, and then back to the downside. So this is when I started looking for short opportunities in the market there right after 945. Okay, so then when we go into the 1 minute, so this is the NASDAQ on the 1 minute. This is 930 right here. You can see we were nice sell zone here, right here, folks. So again, pullback was what I was looking for. Wicks back in the direction of the trend. Okay, that was my entry opportunity. A TRP cross, a Laguerre, a HADS, everything that I look for in a trade. And I got in and out quickly. I got 40 ticks. It basically whooshed down. I wasn't in the trade long at all. I got 40 ticks, so I got others tried and stayed in longer for funding opportunities and so forth. But just what a fantastic setup that we had. So, folks, as a reminder, come join me in the WealthCharts live training room next week. If you click on the main menu and then you go to Wealth Chart Events, okay, you put that on your screen. Okay, you can then click on the date and it will tell you, again, when we have opportunities to learn. Again, I'll be on at 9:30 Eastern Monday morning. All right, folks, hope to see you there and have a great rest of the day. Take care.